You didn't settle for love, and you shouldn't settle for a generic wedding website either. So today I'm going to show you how to make a wedding website that's unique, full of personality, and keeps your big day stress-free. So a wedding website is the easiest way to keep all of your wedding information in one place. I mean, your venue details, your schedule, registry links, hotel information, and pretty much anything else. Just everything your guests will need to know on your big day. It's also an opportunity for you to share your love story, also post photos with your fiance from over the years, and collect RSVPs without dealing with paperwork or mailing out anything. And you could always use one of the generic wedding website templates out there, but the problem is you're then really locked into fixed layouts, limited fonts and colors, and also really restricted sections. And also, if you do choose the template, every website there looks the same. And this is your wedding. And I'm sure you want something that actually feels like you, but without adding another huge task to your planning list. So that is exactly what I'm going to help you do with Hosting Your Horizons. But just before you actually start prompting Horizons, you need to decide what pages your website should include. So you'll likely want a homepage with your names and photo, a schedule page, a travel information section, and a Q&A for your guests. And you can always look at wedding website inspo or even ask an AI chatbot what sections you should definitely include or you shouldn't miss. And I would personally really recommend you use AI to write a clear prompt that you can then add directly to your vibe coding platform. And that could be something like this. Like, I have a prompt already prepared, so you can just read it out here. So you have this prompt, and then you can describe how you want your site to look, like I did in this prompt. So here, just list all the different pages your website should have, like the ones I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And you can even add a location and a branding details. For example, let's say your wedding is taking place in California. So you could specify that the design and color palette should have a very warm Mediterranean feel inspired by that location that you're having your wedding in. And if your prompt isn't fully clear, Horizons will actually ask you clarifying questions about it. But if you do want to really level up your prompt engineering skills, here is a really great video that you can watch later on that has some really great tips on that. So anyway, once your prompt is already up, you can submit it and let ChatGPT or whichever AI chatbot you've chosen generate a version. You can either refine it manually, or if you're happy with it, just copy and paste it in, and you'll be pasting it into your vibe coding app in just 1 second. I will do this with you here as well. If you're using Hosting Your Horizons, you will first need a Hostinger subscription. So if you already have one, feel free to skip this step and skip ahead. But if you don't, just go ahead and head to hostinger.com/horizons, create an account, and choose the plan that best fits your needs. And if you do need more AI credits than the plan offers, you can always top up as you build your app. And when you're actually ready to purchase, don't forget to use the coupon code in the description down below to get 10% off. And once you're logged in, go to the product dashboard and just click on Horizons and then add website. And here's where you will paste your AI generated prompt, as well as any visual references from other websites you would like to have inspo from. And also, the more specific you are, the less editing you will need to do later on. And that saves you a lot of time and also a lot of AI credits. So now you can just submit the prompt and just watch Horizons build your site. Now, once that is done, and if you're not entirely happy with the first version of your website, you don't need to worry, because you can easily tweak things like colors, fonts, and layout with more prompts going into Horizons like these ones I have here, or by making just manual edits just like I'm gonna show you right now. So just you can click here, edit this, and do everything manually. And you can even edit the code directly if you prefer that. So whatever you choose, make sure you change the AI generated text and images so they include your details and they're not just some random ones from AI. But if you want to make your website even more personal, you can always add extra pages or create new sections on the ones you already have. For example, you could always include something like an interactive quiz about the newlyweds, or a feature where guests guests submit song requests for the party, or even something like an interactive seating plan where they type in their name and instantly see which table they will be at. So that is actually very, very convenient. So you can just copy this prompt that I have right here already written out, and little touches like this don't just make your site look impressive, they make the whole experience so much more personalized. But anyway, once you're all happy with your site, you can just double check that everything looks good on mobile, and then from the top right corner of the screen right here, just click publish. And just like that, your wedding website will be live, and then you can even connect it to a custom domain from the H panel. And who knows, I mean, you might love it so much that you turn it into a website template and let other couples use it as well. And it sounds really cute and funny, but Horizons actually lets you do this and also earn 20% commission every time someone uses your template. And I'm sure that that commission would make a really nice honeymoon contribution. So if you're serious about that, this video right here will show you how in just 1 minute. So make sure to check it out. So as you can see, using Horizons is very, very easy and straightforward, but if you ever get stuck with it, you've also got 24/7 multilingual support, and you can also get help from our free AI assistant, Cody, who can guide you through building your website entirely. And the best part is it doesn't use any of your AI credits either. And if for any reason you don't fall in love with Horizons the way you did with your husband-to-be, there's always a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, I mean, yeah, there you have it. You have now your own wedding website built with AI for your needs that keeps wedding planning insanely simple. And I mean, your guests get everything you need in just one place, and you get to decide exactly how it all looks and works, and all whilst being very unique. But let me know in the comments about your dream wedding website, and I will create a custom prompt so you can use it to build it in Horizons. I promise you that. And if you're curious how Horizons handles other creative projects, this video right here shows you how to build a digital goods store from scratch, also using AI and more precisely Horizons. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.